So now we solve one question from NET June 2016. So it is given that limit n tends to infinity to the power n. So we have to find the value of this limit. So from this we can write limit n tends to 0. So first if we put n square equal to t, then as n tends to infinity, it will imply t tends to also infinity. So therefore this limit will be limit n tends to infinity 1 minus 1 by n square, that will be n square, and this can be written as this. So therefore this will be, whenever we put this, so limit t tends to infinity, so this will be 1 minus 1 by t to the power t into 1 by root t, as n square equal to t, so n equal to root t. So from this we can write limit t tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by minus t, and this can be minus t into minus 1 by root t, and now we can take this as this, and this is limit t tends to infinity. So therefore this part will be, so this is minus t tends to, so this will be e, as we know limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n to the power n equal to e. So this is similar as this. So if we put minus t equal to n, then we get exactly same. So therefore this will be e. So limit t tends to infinity e to the power minus 1 by root t. So now t tends to infinity 1 by infinity, that is 0, that is e to the power 0 equal to 1. So this is option A is correct. So if you like it, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. It will be very beneficial for your upcoming NET exam. So thank you very much.